Okay, so you're going to start out by creating a bunch of circles that you're going to paint in. And I want to show you the difference between painting on a nice paper and painting on just regular computer paper. And you're going to paint them solid colors first. And then you're going to go in and paint your designs on them to make them look like marbles. And we're going to take a look at some marbles in class so that you have an idea. And if you need to reference them, you can reference them. But I just want you to paint each marble a solid color, let that dry, and then you're going to go back in and paint your designs. But I want you to notice the difference between a nicer paper and computer paper. And if you just have computer paper, that's fine. But the colors just sort of sit on top and they sort of bleed when you paint your designs on them. So I just want you to see the difference between the two. So notice what happens now, how the paint just sort of lays on top of the paper and kind of puddles. And the same thing is going to happen. See how it puddles and it just lays on top of the paper. And the same thing is going to happen when you do your designs. So I'm making all my designs, and I'm trying to think of what kinds of interesting marble designs I can make. And I looked at regular marbles for references, and I'm just going to make all of my marble designs. And I'm going to let those dry until tomorrow. And then I want you to see what happens with the other kind of paper. Now with this kind of paper, I just want you to notice how the colors kind of spread out and bleed a little bit. So you make up your mind.